Hi, my name is Jin, and in this video I'm going to talk about my vision of teaching and learning. It has been a meaningful journey for me to understand what is teaching and learning, and now I have a different understanding of teaching and learning compared to when I first started Bachelor of Education at UIT in September 2019. My prior assumption of teaching and learning in September was teaching is not only transmitting knowledge from teachers and adults to students and young children, but also works collaboratively to build the foundation of knowledge together. And I focused on collaboration and building the foundation of knowledge. Learning is not only acquired to new skills and knowledge, but also to learn how to implement the skills and knowledge into real life practically. And I emphasize practicality in learning. I separate teaching and learning before somehow. Now, as I reflected on my prior assumption, I realize that teaching and learning are more complex and they have connected. The reason for the limitation of my vision was previous experiences as an ECE in the kindergarten classrooms. I thought that I knew everything about classroom management, teaching, and learning even before I started a Bachelor of Education at UIT. However, as I studied about teaching and learning, I realized that there are complex and classroom management and assessment are the important parts of education. In week 2, in 2019, I believe that classroom management includes discipline students if it needed, control student behaviors, and organizing learning environment. I focused on control and discipline students. However, in week 6 in my 2020, my understanding about classroom management has changed. I highlighted building a positive relationship with my students, and I strongly believe that building a positive relationship is the most important aspect of teaching and learning. After I watched a TED Talk by Rita Pierson, I learned the importance of positive relationship with students and how it could change students in so many ways. I learned that assessment is crucial for teaching and learning. In week 6, I said that effective assessments not only for capture student learning and understanding, but also provides opportunities for students to explain, communicate what they have learned. Assessment is essential for teaching and learning. From Growing Success, I learned the differences among assessment for learning, assessments as learning, and assessment of learning. Now I can use different types of assessments for teaching. From Learning for All, I learned what is universal design and differentiate instructions for effective teaching and learning. My vision of teaching and learning has changed over time by reading a wide range of resources and watching inspired educational videos. Now I strongly believe that teaching and learning depends on a positive relationship with students, effective assessments, UDL, and differentiate instructions. I will practice my belief and vision in future practice and work by creating a classroom where I could build a positive relationship with my students and where I implement different and effective assessment for student learning. Thank you.